Hello, creative gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful chandelier lamp using a dollar store wire basket for the lamp shade and dollar store glass tea light candle holders and candlestick as the base. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. We will need a wired basket, one where it gets narrower the farther you get from the opening. I will show you why later. We will also need 3 clear ribbed glass tea light candle holders. The ones I'm using are big enough to be a drinking glass. We will also need a glass candlestick and a flatter glass tea light holder, the ones that come in a pack of 3. To create the chandelier look, we will need some crystal garlands. Either acrylic or glass is fine. The ones I have are from Amazon. For the light source, we will also need a battery-operated push-button LED light. And as per many of my DIY projects, we will also need some E6000, which I got from my local hardware store, and some hot glue, which I ordered from Amazon. Now to begin the build process. First, we take the wire basket and gently push the middle in so it tapers in toward the center, creating almost an hourglass shape. For this step, take your time to make sure that each side of the wired basket is evenly shaped so you don't have any sides that are lopsided. Leave the opening big enough as we will be inserting a battery-operated LED light inside. The wired basket, once shaped properly, will become the lampshade. To decorate the lampshade, we will be hanging the crystal garlands to the wired basket. We will have 2 sets of crystal garlands, a longer set of 5 and a shorter set of 4. The number of strings of crystals you will need will depend on how far or how closely you hang them on the wired basket. One end of each string of crystals there should be a jump ring that we will use to attach to the wired basket. Along the opening of the wired basket is where we will be hanging the longer set of crystals. You can space out each string of crystals as closely or far apart as you prefer. For this step, it is very tedious and you will be giving your fingers quite a workout, so take some breaks if you need to rest your fingers. Once the first set of crystals are hung along the complete perimeter of the opening of the wired basket, we turn the basket upside down to hang the second set of crystal garlands. Once all the strings of crystals are hung, set the lampshade aside so we can work on the lamp base. For the lamp base, we will use E6000 and some hot glue to adhere the glass candlestick holder to the shorter glass tea light. Then we will adhere the taller ribbed glass tea light candle holders together. For this step, it is important to check that the glass tea light and candle holders stand up straight once they are glued. With the E6000, it will take several hours to fully cure, so if you need to adjust the glassware, you will be able to do that easily within the first few minutes of applying the glue. But if you choose to add hot glue to adhere the glassware, the hot glue will dry in under a minute, so you will need to act quickly if you find that adjustments are required. Once the glue is set, we can place the LED light inside the opening of the wired basket and then sit the entire lampshade on top of the lamp base. If you don't intend to change out the lampshades, you can opt to glue it directly to the lamp base for a permanent hold. And there you have it. Our chandelier lamp is complete. It looks absolutely gorgeous on my table, and since I did not glue my lampshade down, I can interchange it with some of my other lampshades I have made. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.